Hello, everybody. Today we're going to make a reaction to Fight for a Sawmill. So, this is another video for Epic Scout. So, let's continue with this video. So, original link in description. I will start the video. This was also made in Source Filmmaker. Okay, let's begin with this. 3 months ago, Blue take control. Fail falls to red, thanks to this engineer and his pet. Okay, we have today. Let's see how this will go. Alright then. So, where is Epic Scout then? Let's see how Epic Scout handles. Here it is. The Epic Scout. I already found the thumbnail, so here it is. Alright then. Epic Scout is the best. Great. Alright then. Um, alright then. Alright. Alright, that was Spy, so here's how Epic Scout handles things. Um oh, it's that the pet. Heavy weapons, that heavy pet, so um this could be the thumbnail. I'm not really sure. Okay, let's see how this will go. Um, um, well, Epic Scout was right here, so let's see how this will go. Alright then. Alright then. Oh wait, it's the engineer. It was that engineer. Excuse me then. Okay, let's see. Excuse me. Excuse me for that. Let's see how this will go. Um. Um. Okay, let's see how this will go. Um. Right. I'm not sure who's gonna win. Alright then. Let's see how this will go. Alright then. It's a TF2 animation, but um um okay, let's see how this will go. This is like an action movie or something, but it may in source filmmaker, so let's see how this will go. Well, there's nothing. Well, oh okay. Alright then. I'm not gonna say anything. What just happened? Um, 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 I'm not sure if that heavy's still there. Oh wait, he's still there. Um, um, I guess Epic's probably lost. Or, good animation, but wait, what happened? Okay then, well, I guess. Wait, Epic Scout survived, so Spy rescued him. Survived because Spy rescued him. So, um, I don't know if there is another video to uh So Epic Scout is gonna get revenge. I don't know when. Goodbye.